Good morning guys, it is June 20th and it is Ryan's birthday. It's currently about like 9 a.m. I just cooked Ryan breakfast. I made biscuits and gravy. Whenever you go to a breakfast place or a brunch place, he always orders biscuits and gravy or breakfast tacos and like burritos and stuff. But I decided to just make biscuits and gravy because it's actually surprisingly easy. I'm realizing now how easy cooking is if you actually follow the directions, which I'm bad at. But today's gonna be a fun day. We woke up and the weather was like really not great outside. It looks like it's gonna rain, but it's not gonna rain, which is so weird. It's supposed to be like 101 degrees today. So yeah, should be fun. It's a little loud in my apartment because we got the vent going on and the AC is so freaking loud, but we are gonna get this day started. Happy birthday to you.
What'd you cook?
Oh, you know, don't act surprised.
My favorite. How do you know?
I'm scared. Don't lie to me.
No, I swear it's good. I'm wasting this good one over here.
Stick in.
You know what we need? Drinks.
V8.
Nah, I might drink this orange juice. It's coffee. No, I have free Starbucks today. I can't waste the coffee. Most people fold, like take theirs in half. I turn mine in pieces. I also eat my chicken biscuits in half. Like, I open it, take the chicken off, eat the chicken, eat the biscuit, and the rest of it. I don't know why.
He's a biscuits and gravy pro now. So it's Ryan's birthday, and I just made his favorite biscuits and gravy. Good?
Mm-hmm. Where'd you find this recipe?
Pinterest.
Wow. Wow. How nice. I need a bar cart now.
Mm-hmm. You like it?
Yeah, thank you. It's really nice.
Tell him what is.
It's for mouthwash.
Ryan.
It's a whiskey decanter or any other alcohol decanter. Look how nice it is.
What does a decanter do?
It just makes it more decorative, I think.
Oh, I thought it serves like an actual purpose.
Just look fancy, I think. I don't know.
So, we are all ready to go to the river.
It's a lake.
Lake, whatever. I
I don't
don't
know
even
what it
know.
is.
We don't know. We're new here, so sorry. We are in matching outfits. He has like two of these little Columbia things. They're like SPF, right?
Just an ominous shade.
What does that mean?
I think they're SPF 15 or something.
I'm repping my ATL hat today. And we're gonna go paddleboarding.
We're going to Ladybird Lake to a place called Sub ATX. And I guess it gives like a 15-minute lesson and send us on our way. So I'm kind of nervous. Last time my paddleboard was in Miami, I fell.
So sleepy all of a sudden, and we just remembered that Ryan has a Starbucks birthday reward.
Hey, can I get a venti iced white mocha? And instead of whipped cream, can I get salted cold foam on top?
We got a venti and we're gonna split it.
So we're actually at Live Love Paddle. And it's not near the water. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. We're gonna find out.
I think that we just sign the papers here, and they probably have like the paddle boards like down near the lake, and they like walkie-talk someone and say that like we're coming or something. Walkie-talkie. Isn't that what it's called? Walkie-talkie?
Yeah.
It's called Fashion People. I don't even know who I am right now. I'm wearing Ryan's sunglasses, but you know, it's better to be protected than fashionable at this point. We are walking down to the water. Apparently it's like a 4-minute walk, and we're gonna start paddleboarding. So we are back from paddleboarding, and y'all, it was so much fun. Like, it was so hot. So apparently it's like illegal to swim in Lady Bird Lake, which was so unfortunate because it didn't really even look like that nasty. I think that they just say that because like there's just shit in the water and like they don't want to get in trouble. But like I kind of fell in and no one said anything. I mean, obviously there's not like people there to say stuff. We went to Live Love Paddle and we did it for an hour and 45 and it ended up being like $25 per person.
It's 54 a piece. It wasn't really that bad.
Wait, 54 per?
Oh wait, 54 total.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
So so yeah, it was so much fun, and I feel like it's worth it to maybe even get like the whole day and just go out for like 3 hours.
I don't think they do the whole thing. I think for the place I did.
Oh, okay. There were honestly a lot more places closer to the city, which I feel like we're gonna try out next time because we had to like paddle kind of far out towards the city, and that's where we wanted to like, you know, be. So we might find another place next time, but that place was also really great, so highly recommend them. So at first the water was really cold, but then it just got so hot that we were like almost starting to get immune to the temperature, and like nothing was like cooling me down. I wish I could have had a water bottle because literally when we got back to the car we were dying of thirst. I'm glad I finally got to be in some water because the pool's closed, but we just got a message that it's open next week, so thank God. But it's right when Ryan starts to work, so that sucks. So we are about to call an Uber pool, and I really like that Austin has this because I don't know if Atlanta has it. I feel like they don't. Do they? Oh, okay. I first did an Uber pool in San Francisco, and I thought it was a really cool concept because it's a lot cheaper, so.
This is the strawberry sangria sake.
Ooh, this is so cute.
Oh wow, thank you.
My favorite. First roll is the rock and roll.